Look, my friends, we already have 3 videos that are uploaded, and on my backup channel, on my AA creation channel, it's doing okay. But you know what I've realized? This is pro tip if you're a content creator. Oh, one more follower. Thank you, my friend. On my main channel, on this channel, I only focus about YouTube videos. Uber. That's it. This is all Uber. Because this is all Uber, look, it's already gotten 4 likes and 20 views, which means these are my core followers that are early in the morning, that are driving, or they're driving late at night. My video pops up and they comment. Look, this one 26 minutes ago has already gotten 3 views, and my 3rd video of the day is already uploading, right? This is called real-time podcasting, right? You don't have to be great. You don't have to be phenomenal. You practice, you record, you put up short videos, 5 minutes long, 6 minutes long, 10 minutes long, right? Then people can listen to it at their own pace, right? And eventually what you want to do with real-time content creation is, look at this. Eventually you want to have nice thumbnails, right? Once you have thumbnails, then you have a good title, a good description, win-win. And look, this one down here is a short video, right? You also want to mix it up with shorts. This is me moving, and it's gotten 471 views from yesterday. This is how your channel basically goes. Some shorts, some long videos, have a playlist, and rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Now I'm on my way to Ontario Airport because I've waited here almost 10-15 minutes. I've worked on my YouTube channel, and Uber hasn't done much. Let's see. Sometimes when I move, it'll pop up and it'll give me something. And remember my plan from this morning, what I told you guys, right? My plan is very simple. I want to go towards Ontario Airport. I would like to be there by 7 o'clock, 7:30. But on my way there, if Uber keeps giving me $15, $20, I'll keep taking it. If it doesn't, it's okay. Because when the flights land, you're at the right place at the right time, and just be patient. You can maybe pop a ride out to LA or somewhere further away, and that's the cherry. That's the cherry you want to pick early in the morning before everybody wakes up and starts driving Uber. All right now I'm near Colton, and I took an exit. We're gonna turn the app off, put it back in timeout, right? And there's a couple of things I do over here. I'm gonna close everything. I'm gonna go right here and do my device care check and free up my RAM. For some reason, this actually helps me with the Uber driver app. It does something weird or maybe I'm just paranoid about it, right? Then we're gonna turn the app back on, and let me tell you why I pulled over here, right? I've driven around 10 minutes. I got out of the last area. I'm in a new area. Think of it like this. Every 10 miles and 10 minutes, you're in a new area, okay? Earlier, when I was making this video, I was over here, right? I went this way, and remember the technique that I've been teaching you. Wherever there's freeways like this, where they cross, right? You want to sit and you want to park here for 5 minutes and just wait. Because what are the other drivers going to be doing? They're all going to be zooming right by, right? If there's anybody that has a passenger or doesn't have a passenger, they're going to be zooming. They're going to be zooming. They're going to be zooming. They're going to be zooming, right? But if you sit and you park here, they're going to be gone in 1 second, in 1 minute, right? Anything that pops up over here, because I'm standing where there's possible traffic or conjunction, or like I don't know how to explain it, but because I'm somewhere where there's a lot of people moving and there's a lot of moving parts, there's probably not going to be another driver over here, right? Because drivers are moving. Other Uber drivers and Lyft drivers are moving. Taxi drivers are definitely not here, right? Now if we zoom out a little bit, you will also notice something else. Like, this is all mountains, this is all hills. This means what? I've told you this already before. Money. People with money are over here, right? People with money are over here, right? And I have an opportunity. I can go down here. If you look over here, if I wanted to, I can go down here and see this. This is the county line, right? This is why I'm not seeing any offers from here. Uber's not going to give you any offer from here. Why? Because you're not in that county. Look, it is keeping you right here, right? This is all the money Uber's going to possibly give you right now. I highly doubt we're going to get anything from down here. You can't even see anything in here in the map, right? So if I wanted to, I can go down and I can drive down here and open this up, but not today. Today, we're going to keep heading to Ontario Airport, right? Let me turn it on. We're going to do this. We just refreshed it. You know that the color of the map changed, and rinse and repeat, baby. So I didn't even wait more than 5 minutes, right? I just turned the app off. I talked to you for a little bit, and I'm gonna head out, and I'll keep you posted if anything pops up. And look at that street, Mount Vernon app. North Mount Vernon. Mount Vernon ain't burning. And the gas here is $4.19. So understand this. San Bernardino, cheap gas. This is good. So if you're an Uber driver, I'm not gonna tell it to shut up right now, but this is good. It wasn't barking for the last 15 minutes. It hasn't barked, it hasn't meowed, it hasn't cried, it hasn't done anything. So when that $5 pop came, understand this is good, right? Low ball, low ball, low ball, then it'll give you what's hidden in the container, right? And all I've done is, if you've been watching my videos, just little tips for you here and there, little tips, right? And not all tips are good, right? This is just my style of driving, because there's I'm not gonna say trolls, there's actually other Uber drivers that are better than me that are commenting and letting me know, no bro, you got this wrong, no bro, you got this wrong. No problem, we're gonna go over those comments and I'll let you guys be the judge. All right, this is the second one that popped up, and it's going towards Riverside, but you know the amount's not worth it, right? But we're looking for the app to just go do and bunch of $5, $4, $8. Yeah, there you go. This is the second one. Okay, this is good. Already viewed means that I'm the only driver here. This is good news. This is how you understand the algorithm, right? Now, if it comes back again with a priority and gives you another $3.50, that it's guaranteed there's no drivers here. Okay, there's another one right here. So the algorithm is basically telling me there's something going on. Even though I'm around 11 miles away from Ontario Airport. There you go. What did I tell you, right? Here's another one. This is what you're looking for. Now, this means to pull over, there's something in the container that's bigger. It gave you $6, it gave you $6, it gave you $11, right? Just pull over, give it 5 minutes, right? If you keep driving, you might miss what's in the container, right? Now, I can't 100% guarantee it. This is why, sorry, I'm talking a little bit loud because I'm on the freeway and I want my audio to be nice and clear. And I'm exiting Sierra Avenue. Sierra Avenue on the 10th freeway. There's a hospital right here, big ass Kaiser Hospital, right? That means the container ride might be a nurse or a resident that just got done with their shift. It's 6:45 in the morning. Just get over here and just park. Look, I'm gonna park next to Gallo Guerro. It's like Mas Tamales right here, right? Damn, I'm getting hungry. I'm thinking about getting a tamale, right? But look, I'm gonna pull over, pull out technique, all right? If you don't have a condom on, what do? You pull out so you don't get the girl pregnant. We're gonna pull out, we're gonna chill. Now we're gonna give this crybaby app 5 minutes of our time, right? While we're giving it 5 minutes, let me show you. And I apologize for the audio. Sometimes when it pops up, I have to talk and I have to show you what's going on. Otherwise, you know, like my podcast is not going to work because I'm teaching you guys real time. So now look, we'll turn it off. It's crying, right? We're going to turn it off. That's the fourth or fifth opportunity that I got right here, right? Turn it off. Let it know, hey, I'm the boss, right? Once you let it know you're the boss, let me tell you where we were at, okay? Look, so right now I've relocated twice. I was on this side where the $48 ride canceled, okay? Then I waited on this freeway right here. I waited right here for a little bit. Nothing happened. But from here to here, it's given me 4 opportunities. Low ball, low ball, low ball. This is why I pulled over here. I literally pulled over because I'm thinking, where's the Kaiser Permanente? Come on, show me the Kaiser. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay. This, I'm thinking there's somebody here that has a longer ride or a business comfort or a resident or even a patient, right? I'm going to give it 5 minutes. I'm going to allow it to marinate. How's it going to marinate? How's the Uber driver app going to marinate? You have to turn it off. If you don't turn it off, it knows you're there and it's basically going to say, oh, okay, I'll give him $5 here. I'll give him $10 here. I'll give him $8 here. I'll give him $20 here. It's not going to give you the real ride you need until you turn the algorithm off and you're off the system, right? Right now you're off the system. It has no idea if you're driving, you're taking a breakfast, you're gonna go to the bathroom, you know, maybe you're gonna go find a prostitute out here. God knows what people do, right? My point is this: turn it off, put it in timeout. It just refreshed, right? Now that it refreshed, I'm gonna turn it on, but first we're gonna upload this video, one more for you guys. And also pay attention, I've been driving 2 hours. Since 4:45 in the morning, it's around 6:48 in the morning. I've only made $25. That's around $12.50 an hour, plus the gas that I've put in. Basically, I've made $0 so far, because I put in $30 of gas today, and I've made $25. So I'm zero right now. I'm actually -5. Woo!